Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to test my latest custom-designed 14-channel sensor array for the fastest line-following robot. I will also demonstrate how to read sensor values using different microcontroller development boards, including Arduino, ESP32, and STM32. You might have already seen my review of the previous version of this sensor. Now, let's explore the improvements made in the new version. The height has been increased so that it can directly connect with the main board, making installation much easier. A separate voltage selection option has also been added for specific microcontrollers, and the overall width has been increased for better line detection performance. With this upgraded design, you can now easily connect the sensor with the main part of the robot. Simply solder an L-shaped header pin onto the Vero board and attach the sensor securely using screws. The distance between the sensor and the ground is approximately 5 mm. Here, you can see the pinout diagram of the sensor. Now let's look at the voltage selection method for different microcontrollers. Depending on whether your controller uses 3.3 volt logic or 5 volt logic, you can configure the sensor accordingly. Sample voltage selection methods for Arduino, ESP32, and STM32 have also been demonstrated. Next, let's see how to provide power to the sensor. The sensor requires two voltage supplies, 3.3 volt and 5 volt. Here is the GPIO mapping for the sensor with ESP32, Arduino, and STM32 board. All connection diagrams will be provided in the video description. Now, let's move on to taking analog readings from the sensor. First, I am using an Arduino Nano to read the analog values. The voltage selection for Arduino should be configured like this. On a black surface, the maximum analog values recorded are around 800 to 1023, while on a white surface, the minimum values remain around 50 to 200. For ESP32, the ADC range is from 0 to 4096. The voltage selection for ESP32 should be configured like this. On a black surface, the maximum analog values recorded are greater than 3000, whereas on a white surface, the minimum values are below 1000. For STM32, the analog readings are similar to ESP32, and the voltage selection method is also the same as ESP32. If you would like to collect this sensor, simply visit the Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook page of Robotech Innovator.